At the end of the day, I'm still just that young fella with stars in his eyes and hopes for the future that grew up in Manurewa. I never imagined that politics was going to be in my future. It was more or less just a conversation with Councillor Daniel Newman, who saw some promise and thought, you know, there's potentially some good things that we could do in the community together. The biggest priorities are how we can better serve the community in terms of the assets that we have. We have a very huge drive on the welfare of rangatahi, specifically Pacifica and Māori in the community. The pride. Manurewa is a very proud community. Everything that holds that community together, the culture, the livelihoods, the lifestyle, it all connects in a way that's very, very unique, and South Auckland is very much like this. The pride that comes along with that 267, that rewa hard notion.